What is happening? I'm sorry if I just hurt your ears coughing there. What's happening? How are we doing? How are we doing? We got to talk about something, guys. We got to talk about something. We'll let some people flood in here. Then we'll get to talking about something specific, something that happened yesterday. I promised you guys if I was wrong, we'll go into it right now. We'll go into it right now. We'll go into it. Yo, what's up, my glorious, handsome top songs? How you doing? Hello, top songs here too. What's up, Nolani? How you been? What's up, Mali? It's the code. I made it here finally. What's up? I just saw your DM. Oh yeah. About to buy in right now, huh? USD JPY. I'm actually looking at something right now on GJ, guys, but we need some confirmation. Whatever. But now that we got some people in here, I promised you guys a live account if I was wrong. I wasn't wrong though, guys. Yesterday, you guys know we were waiting for sales here. Market went absolutely crazy. Apparently, Trump had some news that he was whatever it was. Apparently, it was Trump related. Markets shot up, but I told you guys I still knew that markets were going to come down and fill in this gap. And what did we do? We did exactly that. So if you guys stayed on the markets a little bit longer, you probably capitalized on this trade. I told you as soon as price broke that low, price is going to sell off into this gap. I mean, it did exactly that. I mean, like, what can I say? I didn't catch it again. I just kind of got off. But one, I don't owe you guys a funded account. Thank the Lord. But again, like, super simple bias, right? Price came up, was at a high, needed to facilitate a pullback. There was a gap, right? Two confluences there. Came and filled it in, and then you could catch buys back up, right? And if we're looking at today, peep today. What's up, Luca? Nick's been good. You've been killing it. Thank you, Nolani. I hope you've been killing it too. I hope you are still going hard trading. You haven't been joining the calls, so. Nix, yes sir. Casper already knows Nix with the money sign. What's up, bro? Daddy Luca. Nah. Already starting off the stream like that. Sus as fuck. Nah. But I don't know. I'm not liking much here. Top longs is crazy. That is kind of crazy. Kind of anticipating some buys here, but one thing I don't like is how overextended prices, but that doesn't mean a lot. So we still have 30 minutes until London does open, but play out that UK 100, same thing. I'm not, honestly, more than anything, I'm probably going to be looking at buys just because we swept is this yesterday's low? Did sweep a 4-hour low. We are overall bullish, so we could anticipate price to continue to push higher. If anything, it would just facilitate like a minor pullback, but I'm looking, I was already wearing a thong. Wow, top thongs. Yeah, thank you, Luca. Appreciate that. Everybody's gonna flood in here like 5 minutes before London open. You gotta join back. Catch a W with us. For Luca, for Unk. He's so much wisdom. Yeah. Luca does have Unk status right now. I'd say so. But again, let's go over GJ real quick. Looking at this, I got all this mess on here because I was doing a weekly outlook. If you guys are in my Discord, you guys know I sent out a weekly outlook. If you guys aren't in there. Unk vibes is crazy. Damn. My bad, Luca. Luca's not. Luca's still young. Luca's still very young. What's gonna go? Yo, what's up, JJ2? How you doing? But again, GJ guys, the bias behind it. What is it? Again, right now in the weekly time frame, I still feel like we're within a pullback. I think we're gonna end up breaking these highs, but that doesn't mean we're gonna have to do it yet. So now that we're playing the lower time frames, I can expect the 4 hour to facilitate a pullback. And what's going to tell me that? Obviously, once lower time frames switch structure, right? We kind of have that flip in structure here where I can anticipate price to possibly sell off from this supply a little bit further. But again, there's a little bit more confluences I need to see. Like I need to see price build up a little bit of liquidity here just to give me a little bit more confidence coming into the market. So we might be seeing GJ sells again. Check the Discord, check Luca's Discord. I'm always posting my Forex trades in there, but we'll see what we can catch tonight. Thinking buys, but I'm not looking as clean as what yesterday was looking like. But again, we got some pretty good liquidations where I could say things are looking solid. Let's get this money. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm thinking price may come up and create a top hook here. And that's where we'd be looking to capitalize on that and push to probably like New York highs here. Where am I looking for a break? Would probably be of this area. But again, like that's still, like, price is so overextended here. It's very like, I'm very iffy on it. I'm just not as confident as yesterday's. Again, yesterday was pretty fire. Was this yesterday's? No. Oh, this was DAX from yesterday too. Let me go over DAX yesterday. Again, I talked about sells. Price did not run all the way down to Asia lows, at least at first, but you were able to capitalize on a 101. Price did have that minor pullback and then did sell off to Asia lows. So again, UK 100 DAX played out beautifully yesterday. Maybe I need to start staying on a little bit longer. I do get impatient, you know, like, but things are playing out. So maybe that's our sign to stay on a little bit longer. I know 27 people, 3 likes is very unacceptable. Very, very unacceptable. I agree. As far as like, see this UK 100 just looking so bad. I'm really just gonna have to like rely off of the support that and resistance that UK 100 makes within the next 30 minutes. And then honestly, I'm expecting buys, but I can't say that for sure until London opens, but it's probably where I'm shooting for. I can't lie. Next, going for daily candle flip. To downside or upside? I'm thinking upside. I'm thinking we're going up. I don't know why. This bottom wick here is pretty fucking gnarly. Pretty gnarly. So, but the one thing is, again, I hope price ends up stuttering right before London open, because I would like to see price not sweep this high yet. And then again, we can just use like very fractal support and resistance zones to kind of give us some type of quick 1-1 entry to target Tokyo highs or yesterday New York highs, right? So yeah, but again, we're still gonna make it work, guys. The one thing that I'm hesitant of too is, again, like we are coming off an area of supply, but that does not mean we're going to hold. Again, that's where it comes to other structure is not the best when it comes to like saying this would be a valid supply, but markets can do whatever they want to do, you know. So what's up, Jamal? How you doing? Cartoon. But that's why you start beefing with people in chat. Like, who was it, Louis? It was someone that you're beefing with. I'm not gonna get involved. That's all you guys. Back to chat. Let's look at gold again. Gold. I don't trade gold. I don't like gold, but I mean, probably trade the same concepts, I'd say. I would be looking for shorts here. Again, just to fill in some type of pullback here, I'd say if you saw a break of this support, I would push a little bit lower. You could even see a sweep of Tokyo lows before we push back up. But again, gold's whatever. Tired at work. That sucks, man. Hopefully you're off soon. It's satire. Ha ha ha. Anyone any trades right now? Anyone? How we doing? What are we looking at? Can I look over this? Why not? I want to go over Euro USD with you guys. I'm expecting a trade this week here too. We just recently sold off. So again, what am I looking for? Pullback, right? Just seeing if we can get a break of this high. Again, this is the last high that led to a break of structure. So if this strong high is broken, I can anticipate that price should possibly have a pullback. Again, a minor pullback of a lower time frame before price continues here, and then I can just look to capitalize on this. So same thing for GJ, but again, the other way around. Yeah, so session indicators is Lux Algo. So if you look up sessions, it's sessions Lux Algo, the first one. Right, once you click it, this is my settings. You can pause the stream and do whatever. But one thing I can say is like the reason these are 5 minutes ahead, because like, yeah, I'll show you if anyone wants to do it. So see how Tokyo session, oh, what the fuck, hold on. Why is it tweaking? What the fuck? Hold on. I think I got my time zone off. That's fucked. Okay, yeah, that's why. So you have to do it 5 minutes. So I do the first 3 hours of every session, but you have to do that extra 5-minute candle. But again, just the first 3 hours. To me, the most volume filled, and that's all I care about. Favorite president of all time, Cartoon. I'm not answering that. CPI news tomorrow. Volume probably will not come in tonight because most of the traders are staying on the sidelines. Yeah, I can agree with that. We may just not get a trade again. It's not looking too good as of right now, but what's up, Jocko? Jocko, how we looking? How we feeling about DAX and UK 100? I'm thinking buys. I don't like how overextended price is. We may see like a slight sweep here and a minor pullback. We could look for that, but even for UK 100, something's telling me buys, but there's really not a lot of areas to play off of. Kind of sucks. You choose Asia range indicator. Yeah, that one's good. I like this one. This one's just really clean to me, super subtle. I just click on and off. So it's usually what I'm on. So anyone in any trades not looking best? I know, guys, it sucks. I'm good. I'm gonna play it real slow. You know, it's another no trade day. I'm fine with that. One, just because we got some really good data yesterday. That price did play out, and two, you know, I'd rather not take a trade today when markets are kind of looking this chopped. The only way I could see us possibly looking at like a sweep of this high. Come, we break this support, we may push down a little bit, and then we shoot back up. Honestly, Cartoony, you can't be sending me that shit, man. I was like, what the fuck? Sub Silky. Oh, never mind. I just said what's up. Yo, no, Lonnie, you're a beast. Thank you, thank you. What's up, guys? I saw some people hop in here. We're just kind of waiting. Not the cleanest markets. We'll see. We'll see what happens, guys. Favorite athlete of all time? That's a good question. Who is my favorite athlete? I'm gonna say Mike Trout. I know I sound like a typical white boy, right? Hear me out. Just, I don't know. As a kid, I don't know. I looked up to him. He used to play a lot of baseball. He used to be really good at baseball. So I'd say Mike Trout. He was definitely like a big one when I was growing up. Big time. Yeah. Imagine I went pro in baseball and just like never been in the trading scene. Like you guys just never know me. Just crazy, huh? No, I'm on the West Coast, JJ, on the West Coast. So it is 11:46 right now. So not too bad. What sport did all the Indian kids play? Am I supposed to answer that cartoon or is this like a joke? Am I waiting for the second part of the joke? What sport did they play, cartoony? You tell me. Guys, I wish structure is a little bit better. I wasn't really paying attention to the markets that much before stream, but yes, serious because village I live in. But what do you mean? Like you're just asking what like Indian kids played over here? I don't know. Anything? Any sport? Kind of just want to force myself to stay away from DAX. It's looking so unclear to me. It's bothering me so much. How did I learn about trading? I had a friend who told me about it in high school. He found out about it. He started trading it. I got interested. I started trading it. And then from there, just fell in love with it. Didn't see myself doing anything else. Convinced my parents not to send me to college. And then from there, now I'm here. I'm here. And honestly, I could not be happier. And I've been thinking about that a lot recently. Like, yeah, I could have gone to college, gone to like business school, done whatever the fuck I would have done. Sorry for cussing. I know, Red Dog. I probably said I wouldn't. But like, I don't know. Even like when I wasn't really seeing the best results in trading, like I was just so happy. I was just doing what I loved to do, doing like what I wanted to do. Just even if I wouldn't have made it in trading, and I'm not saying I made it, but I think I'm getting to a point where I am really, really, really taking off. But just, I don't know. Trading was meant for me, I'd say. This lifestyle, the lifestyle of it all, I'd say was meant for me. For sure. That candle's kind of crazy. What the fuck? Maybe I was just zoomed in too much. We'll see what happens. Like, which pair would you say has the most volatility of the hour? Honestly, GJ does have quite a bit, but EU tends to kind of pick up. GA. I mean, those are the three pairs I look at. I say they have volume. GA, EU, GBP, JPY, volume all throughout London and New York. It just depends on the day too, though. But GJ, you'll see like volume basically all throughout the day. I'm still friends with him. Cartoony, yes. Still really, really good friends with him. We wish he started in high school. Yeah, thankfully I got to start super, super early and get exposure. Because again, like I'm pretty young as far as like a lot of the other big people in the industry, so I got some potential. Let's say we had 30K at the end of the year. Just you guys watch. I guarantee I'll have 30K followers. Who's the oldest trader you know besides Luca? Is Emmett? I know Emmett. Emmett's older, I think. Cuzzo, how old? How old am I? Ando? Is that what you're asking? Or I know. Nah, I'm gonna pass him. I just know it. I'm sorry. Like every other trader in the industry is great, and you guys probably hear it from everyone, but I'm gonna be better. Just saying. And some people are like, "Oh, you got ego, you got ego," but it's like I'd rather have that mentality of I'm gonna get better, because again, that's everyone's mentality, you know. So it's like it's survival of the fucking fittest. Like, I mean, I guess in a sense, you know, it's like if they have that mindset, I need to have that mindset. Like, if they're here to, you know, take everything, I got to be ready to take everything first. Yeah, I'm 21, Indo. I just turned 21 like last month. Good to see you back from. Hope we can catch a DAX push today at 12. I'm thinking we might catch a push, but again, taking things a little bit slow because, bro, full glaze, full Diddy, full no homo. No one is doing like you. Cartoony, you're a G. Who's Julie? But thank you. That's facts, young man. Yeah, it is facts, Nolani. And a lot of people don't see it like that. They're just like, oh, you got ego. But I'm like, no, like the best traders in the game, they all think they're the best. And if I don't think I'm the best, then I'm not gonna ever be anywhere near these guys, because it's all about mindset. And yeah, I'm pretty young, Indo. So that's why I say like I got a lot of I think I'm getting pretty good into the scene where I have a lot of potential to take over. Again, like me and Luca talk about this a lot, and I don't mean to like drop mine and Luca's conversation. It's nothing like bad. But like there's no one really at the top right now. Like there's not. I mean, Mamba's, I'd say, the guy at the top right now, if anyone. Alex, she's kind of there. You just have the Alex G guys like that kind of just like, I don't want to say dick ride him, but like, you know. Lambro kind of fell off. He's still big, but he's, you know, there's not a lot of people at the top right now. Like there usually is. Usually there's one guy just dominating the scene entirely, right? Crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Pictures class, brother. exactly, you see. You already know. Succeed, but there's so much fraud behind FXLXG. Honestly, I could say I fell into a Lamborghini scam. It was his Signal room. It was $100 a month. It was when I first started trading, and yeah, he'd only post when he won, and he'd be posting all these, catching all these win streaks, this and that, and I joined it and like went on a 2 week losing streak, lost probably like a couple hundred, maybe 1,000 or two. And I was like, what the fuck? I was like, never again did I take a signal. Even though his signals are bad, like some signals are good. Really just depends. I was like, nah, I'm done. Again, like signals to me can be good. I like trade ideas. And if you guys notice, if you guys are in my Discord, do you guys know like what I post? Because again, like even if you don't understand, like I don't want to tell you buy here, buy now. I want you to actually understand the motherfucking entry. Like, why am I entering here? So if you don't know, ask, whatever. Patrick Quinlan, Jaden. Yeah, I heard a lot of people are frauds. Honestly, guys, there's really just a close knit of like actual solid traders. Thankfully, I'm friends with quite a lot of them, but there are a lot of people who are just fraud in the industry. Yeah, I agree, Lucas. There are a lot of people who are just bagging out. I mean, it's just how it is. But again, like selling something that you're good at, like your service, again, that's very it's a very good way to make money. Again, it's basically just a data transfer, I would say. Like you're paying someone in a mentorship to basically transfer the data they've gotten from the last couple of years trading whatever they're trading, and the experience they've gotten emotionally, like psychologically, whatever it is, right? And just kind of transferring it to you, right, for a cost. But yeah, I agree with you. There are a lot of people out there. Mamba is super funny. Mamba is super, super funny. I can't lie to you. I won't forget about you, Indo. Never. Now I'm hoping to work with Mamba soon, hopefully. Hopefully. I have met him, but didn't really get to have a full-on conversation. Yeah, I'm in the top 5. That's lit. I appreciate that. That means so much to me. But yeah, Emmett's a beast. Emmett's like the one dude I like learned a lot from. Emmett's the one dude that like really like when I first learned about journaling, tracking data early on, when he would live stream on YouTube. Shout out to him. 27 foot streamer and I'm a boxing YouTuber. You're boxing YouTuber, Endo? What? Oh shit, we're about to open, guys. I'm expecting buys here. Like if I can get a break to the upside here, I'd look for a quick 101. I can't lie to you. I should probably be ready. I think I'm willing to shoot here. We'll see what happens. Are Mamba and Cowboy brothers? Yeah. In terms of engagement, education, I love that. Thank you, JJ. I like she a pure scammer. I can't like. I don't want to deny that, but I don't want to like not deny it. No opinion. And that alone should give you my opinion. Me telling you that. If we sell, I'm fine with that. I'm not gonna take this position. Another reason is we didn't sweep Tokyo highs here. I'd rather look for UK 100 buys. but it looks like we're getting a good bit of volume into the market beforehand. Guys, if we sell off here, I'm fine with that. I'm not in. Guys, I'm in. I'm just looking for a 101 here. Price could flip on us, but we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. I'm willing to shoot. See a little bit more here. Oh my god. Push. No way. Oh my god. That's actually crazy. I'm closing one position. Actually, no. Fuck that. We're waiting. We're waiting. We're waiting. We could get hoed right here. Doing this. Can't lie to you. Oh my god. I can't watch this. Volume coming. Are you media trained? Nah. Oh my fucking lord. What do you think about Danny trades? I have nothing to say on that. Cartoony. Another W if you guys got out. I'm not out. Could get fucked right here. Could get screwed. Missed it by quite literally a couple points, but still in. That was not a good reaction at the end there. But again, there's still a couple minutes. We'll see. We'll see. You guys could have closed some positions at that top, but again, I'm telling you guys, price should push here. We still have some good liquidity sitting up here. I really like that this price swept liquidity here right before that push. That's what's really telling me price should continue higher here, but yeah, that kind of was wild. I wish it would have pushed for that 101, but it is what it is. That's not looking hot. We're reacting off of this area here. We had good volume. We slowed down. I really would like to see this candle push back up, but we'll see. It happens like that sometimes, guys. You get screwed over. Pray for Mamba to bless me. I know. Mamba needs to step into the motherfucking markets and push this goddamn UK 100 to all-time highs. We're recovering a little bit. Could be. I'm telling you, sometimes you ever hear those motherfucking traders talking? I know you guys have heard Alex G in specific since he was on topic earlier, talking about he thinks people are watching his stream and hunting a stop loss and shit like that. I was like, oh my god. I'm expecting this push, guys. Come on. Maybe a retest here or something. DAX melted. Yeah. We could have caught DAX sells here at this break, but my stop would have probably been pretty tight. Again, I did call a little short-term sell here, but I think we're gonna end up catching these buys, guys. Once we get to this high, I'm out. But yeah, I think DAX is gonna buy up from here. We may come down a little bit more, fill in this last little bit of inefficient price, and then fly. Hello, Danny trades. Voice pisses you off. Danny, I've met Danny. He's pretty cool. I was showing his crib. He has a really nice house. Super nice house. Fucking elevator in it. Crazy. Where's this last push? Fuck. Come on. Price is fucking playing right now. Type of shit that pisses me off, irks my soul. Just want to make my money and leave. Oh my god. I'm out. Just like that. Just like fucking that. So easy, guys. And again, you guys could have caught these DAX sells as well. Again, and this is why I am going to do, while all of you guys are here after we caught that W1, can I get a W in chat? That was on my personal. But I am going to be doing an account flip, I think, next week. I got something cool coming for you guys with Luca. We're going to bring you guys a couple cool streams, but I think I'm gonna do the account flip because we've been absolutely fucking killing it to the point where at this point I probably would have made, just from the account flip alone, a band or 2,000 or two, you know. So we'll see. I think we can take it far. If you guys want to join up, you know. And I know someone asked if I trade New York. No, I don't. I don't trade New York. I just don't like it. I like how London moves. That was a W, guys. Thank you, Julie. Thank you, Casper. Thank you, Matt. Thank you, Cartoony. Yet again, another W, guys. There's not much to say. I'm just probably just gonna go to sleep. Yeah, guys, I think DAX is going to push up here. Again, I was just looking for that little bit of a retracement. We did come into an area of discount pricing where, again, price can just push up. So what a stream. Yeah, what a solid stream, guys. After not missing these trades, but getting off too early yesterday, again, we had that comeback. So only wins here. He's right. So I think we're just going to stick to trading London Open because we've been absolutely killing it. Just made $560. Absolutely crazy. Yeah, again, let open account, you know, so try to get a funded account. I don't think Top Step you can trade like futures. There are some platforms, I believe. You got to find them. But I trade personal. Thank you, Veronica. You're amazing. Thank you, Nolani. You're also amazing. Thank you to everyone. Like the stream. Yeah, like the stream. Like, what the fuck? Like, come on. 54 of you guys in here. Who's not to say if there was 50 likes, I'd give away like a free funded account. See, you guys are holding yourselves back from getting fucking funded, from getting breaded out yourselves. But anyway, going back to the challenge, guys, if I blow it, I think this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna load up one account if I blow it. Or I don't say if I blow it. I think what I want to do is every time I take a loss on stream with you guys on that account, I will give away a funded account. Sound cool? I feel like that could end up being a little entertaining. You guys may be praying on my downfall just to try to get a free account, but I feel like that's pretty fun just because I know I will most likely be right, and again, win-win. So I think that'll be solid. But next week we're gonna start that, run that up, get hyped. Bunch of accounts coming away again, bunch of stuff coming for you guys. But I think I'm gonna hop out of here. I mean, made some money. Hope you guys made some money. Got good viewers. Love you all. Every single one of you is amazing. Again, reach out if you guys want to follow me. That's my Instagram. Shoot me a follow. I'm always live. W's in the chat one more time so I can get a quick video at the end. Every trade loss equals one piece of coloring stripped. Cartoony? Nah, that's crazy. What the fuck? To think one day I thought I'd make you mod, and then you got over here saying some strip. Y'all remember? Nah, I'm not gonna say it. Some strip trading is crazy. Thank you, but shoot me a follow. I'd appreciate that. Hell yeah, 41W. You guys are awesome. I'm out of here. All 48 of you. Again, be back tomorrow. We'll catch another W, of course. It's an everyday thing, I'd say. The quote Jake Paul, it's everyday, bro. That's crazy. That's cringe, but we'll end